One of the challenges of carrying groceries in the trunk of your car or the back of your car as I have here is, of course, once you drive off, things have a tendency to roll out of the bag, and when you get home, you have to rebag everything to carry it back into the house. So here's one solution that works really well. Take a cord, about a 1/4 inch thick cord, and tie carabiners. These are inexpensive aluminum carabiners. You can buy at any hardware store or even grocery stores these days, about $1 a piece. And you tie them off, space them 8 to 10 inches apart, and then hook them on one side of the trunk and on the other side. In this case, it was easy to do because this vehicle had hooks already in place. If your car doesn't have hooks, you can just tie them off the inside of the trunk. And then you just take the handles and clip them onto the carabiners. And here you see I have 4 of them, but you could add 5 or 6, and that's all you need. And because the carabiners are tied off, they won't slide around. And then the other good thing is, once you get the groceries inside, if you don't want this cord in the way all the time, you just unhook one end and store it off to the side.